93 Marion Street, Boston, condo. A completed ProGuard seamless white rubber roof repair. 10-year warranty done by Recon Roofing and got a service. Well, I like to add this safety strip to my roofs because we really want folks to know that once you step out onto a roof, that anything outside of that perimeter or anything that we want to wake them up as they get to the edge. I don't know why more roofers don't do it, but that's what we do. So at any rate, this thing is done. It's completed. Fine job. Hen house has a coat. The wrinkling is something you're going to have to live with, but it's absolutely watertight. I mean, this will hold water, and we will give this a 10-year warranty. I recommend that everybody that comes up on this roof stays inside of the black and yellow tape. You can see, kind of speaks for itself. That's pretty much the safety area. Folks don't need to go out beyond that area. This is the best repair that you can put on a roof. As long as you follow the directions of the ProGuard seamless EPDM liquid rubber roof, and you prep the deck correctly, you can have a roof just like this for a third of what it costs to replace this roof. It's 80 degrees cooler than your typical black roof. There's no need to remove the existing roof that's considered as a hazardous material at this time. If you do strip a roof off now, you have to come back with the proper between an R30 and R38, depending on the town that you're in, and the labor is going to be astronomical. So before you just start throwing your roofs away, consider calling Recon Roofing and Gutters. I'm pretty sure that we could save your roof as long as we use a liquid EPDM ProGuard system. Thank you.